In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to reset all settings in this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice Reset. Mark it, and go to Reset All Settings if you truly want to do it. And then, if you want to remove all data from your device, tap on Reset All Settings. Then confirm that you want to remove all the setup by tapping on Reset All Settings again. And now just wait a couple of seconds until the operation is finished. Okay, so I think it's already done. So at first the brightness has been changed and then all the other setup, and this is it. So you've just reset all settings in your HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.